Aircraft manufacturing is not like building cars. There is no tolerance for improvisation. No margin for almost right. Inside Boeing's aircraft factories, every process is designed around one absolute requirement. Nothing can fail at 40,000 feet. The story begins long before metal is cut. Entire airplanes are built digitally first. Engineers create full-scale digital twins, virtual aircraft that simulate stress, vibration, temperature, pressure, and fatigue over decades of flight. Every rivet, cable, and composite layer is tested thousands of times before physical production begins. When manufacturing starts, it follows the digital blueprint exactly. Massive fuselage sections arrive already shaped with extreme precision. These cylindrical sections may look simple, but each one contains thousands of drilled holes placed within microscopic tolerances. Robotic drilling systems operate non-stop, creating perfectly aligned openings for fasteners that will hold the aircraft together for decades. Riveting is relentless. Automated machines install tens of thousands of fasteners, each one measured, logged, and verified. These fasteners are not just holding metal together. They are managing stress, pressure, and vibration every time the aircraft takes off. Human inspectors move constantly alongside machines. They check surfaces, alignments, and joints. Automation provides consistency. Humans provide judgment. In aviation, both are mandatory. Wings are built separately, and they are engineering marvels. Modern aircraft wings are not solid structures. They flex, twist, and adapt during flight. Composite materials and aluminum structures are assembled on massive jigs while laser systems verify alignment across enormous distances. Every millimeter matters. Wing spars, ribs, and skins are joined under strict environmental controls. Temperature, humidity, and cleanliness are regulated because material behavior changes with conditions. Precision here determines how the aircraft handles turbulence years later. Fuselage sections are then joined together. Nose, center, and tail sections meet for the first time. This moment defines the aircraft's shape. Laser alignment systems verify straightness across the full length of the body. Any deviation is corrected immediately. Inside the aircraft, complexity explodes. Miles of wiring harnesses are routed through the fuselage. Hydraulic lines, fuel systems, environmental ducts, and structural supports are installed layer by layer. Each system is color-coded, tested, and logged. Nothing is hidden. Everything is traceable. The cockpit is built like a command center. Avionics racks, flight computers, and instrument panels are installed behind and inside the flight deck. These systems control navigation, stability, communication, and automation. Redundancy is everywhere, because failure is not an option. Landing gear assemblies arrive next. These structures must absorb massive forces during landing. They are tested repeatedly before installation, then tested again after. Brakes, tires, and retraction systems are treated as flight-critical components, because they are. Engines arrive separately. Jet engines are among the most complex machines ever built. They are lifted into position with extreme care, mounted under the wings, and connected to fuel, control, and monitoring systems. Every connection is verified digitally and physically. At this stage, the aircraft looks complete. But in aviation, appearance means nothing. Because a finished aircraft is not one that looks ready. It is one that has been proven safe. That proof begins next. If you want to continue inside how Boeing tests, verifies, and certifies aircraft before they ever carry passengers, make sure to like the video. When an aircraft leaves the main assembly line, it is not complete. It is untrusted. Inside Boeing's process, nothing flies simply because it was built. It flies only after it has been proven, again and again. Testing begins on the ground. Every onboard system is powered up individually, then together. Electrical loads are pushed to their limits. Flight computers are forced into simulated failures to confirm redundancy works exactly as designed. If one system fails, another must take over instantly, without the pilots ever noticing. Hydraulic systems come next. These systems move flight controls, landing gear, and brakes. They are pressurized, depressurized, and cycled repeatedly. Engineers monitor pressure stability, response time, and leak behavior. Even microscopic irregularities are investigated. Cabin systems are tested for life at altitude. Pressurization systems simulate cruising at tens of thousands of feet. The fuselage flexes slightly under pressure, just as it will in flight. Temperature control, oxygen systems, and airflow behavior are measured continuously. Passengers may never notice these systems, but their lives depend on them. Avionics testing is relentless. Flight computers run thousands of simulated flights without ever leaving the ground. Weather scenarios, navigation failures, sensor conflicts, and pilot inputs are injected digitally. The aircraft must respond correctly every time. Landing gear testing is brutal. Gear is extended and retracted repeatedly. Brakes are tested under extreme loads. Tires are spun to take off speed and stopped abruptly. These systems must perform flawlessly during the most violent moments of flight. Then comes vibration testing. The aircraft is shaken deliberately using specialized equipment. Engineers measure how the structure responds to stress frequencies that may occur during turbulence or engine resonance. Any unexpected vibration pattern is analyzed and corrected. Once ground testing is complete, flight testing begins. Test pilots take the aircraft into the sky under controlled conditions. These are not routine flights. They are carefully planned experiments. Every maneuver is intentional. Every response is measured. Climb performance, handling, stability, and automation behavior are evaluated. Autopilot systems are engaged and disengaged. Control surfaces are tested across the full flight envelope. Even the cabin is monitored. Noise levels, vibration, and environmental stability are measured while airborne. The goal is not just safety, but predictability and comfort. After landing, inspection resumes immediately. Engineers download flight data, inspect structures, and review system behavior. Adjustments are made. Software is refined. Procedures are updated. Then the aircraft flies again. This cycle repeats. Because in aviation, one successful test is not enough. Certification demands consistency. Only after passing all required tests, ground and flight, does the aircraft move forward. But even then, it is not finished. Because building an aircraft is not just about delivering a machine. It is about delivering trust. If you want to see how Boeing supports aircraft long after delivery, and how real-world data shapes future designs, make sure to subscribe to the channel. When a Boeing aircraft is delivered, its story does not end. It multiplies. Before handover, the aircraft undergoes final inspections with airline representatives. Cabin layouts, avionics configurations, and operational requirements are verified line by line. Nothing is assumed. Everything is documented. Delivery is ceremonial, but precise. Once accepted, the aircraft leaves the factory not as a prototype, but as a certified commercial machine. It departs under its own power, flown by pilots who trust that every system has been built, tested, and proven. Then the real world takes over. Commercial service introduces variables no test program can fully replicate. Weather, airports, flight schedules, pilot styles, and passenger loads all interact continuously. Modern aircraft are designed to handle this complexity and to report on it. Every flight generates data. Sensors throughout the aircraft monitor performance, system health, and structural behavior. This information flows back to Boeing and airline maintenance teams in near real time. Patterns are analyzed. Anomalies are investigated. Improvements are identified. This feedback loop is essential. If a system shows unexpected wear, maintenance procedures are updated. If software behavior can be improved, updates are issued. If design refinements are needed, future aircraft evolve. The factory learns from the sky. Engineering teams review fleet-wide data to refine materials, systems, and manufacturing processes. What happens in service directly shapes what is built next. Support never stops. Boeing provides training, technical assistance, and engineering support for aircraft operating around the world. Maintenance crews rely on precise documentation and digital tools that trace every component back to its origin. Safety is cumulative. Every lesson learned increases reliability across the entire fleet. Aviation advances not through shortcuts, but through discipline, repetition, and humility. Inside the factory, production continues, but smarter. Digital twins evolve. Assembly techniques improve. Testing becomes more efficient. New aircraft benefit from decades of accumulated experience embedded into every process. This is why aviation moves carefully, because the cost of speed is trust. Boeing's factories are not just places where aircraft are built. They are systems designed to ensure that millions of people can fly every day, without thinking about the engineering beneath their feet. That invisibility is the greatest success. Which part of aircraft manufacturing impressed you most? The precision assembly, the relentless testing, or the continuous learning after delivery? Leave a comment and share your thoughts.
Engine start levers.
Cutoff, checked.
Engaging, start sequence initiated. This data confirms the vibration dampening is stable across all frequencies.
Agreed. The structural integrity is assured.
We're showing a trajectory deviation on the main screen.
Reroute power to the stabilization immediately.
Check the stitching on 14C.
Looks good from here. Logged.
The display interaction is seamless.
And the tactile response on the joystick button is precise. The throttle movement is smooth.
Flight controls free and correct. Aileron left.
Left checked.
Aileron right.
Right checked.
Systems operational.
Telemetry on engine 3 is fluctuating.
Copy that. Trajectory holding steady, but we're showing a pressure drop.
Guidance is still green.